Hello, everyone, and welcome to Astronomy Answered Simply. I am your host, John Tedeschi. I answer questions from Quora, Facebook, and YouTube, and about astronomy and physics and astrophysics, and explain them to you in hopefully simple terms so that you can understand. Some days I go for science and technical questions. Some days I go for fun questions. Like today's question is kind of an interesting one. So it says, is there a secret military base on the moon? Really? Really? You have to ask this? Okay. There's a really, really simple answer on this one because you can deduce this logically if you apply a little bit of thought process. Right now, it took a Saturn V rocket to get 12, it took 6 different flights of Saturn V rockets to get 12 people to the moon and back in the 1970s. We don't even currently have anything that can get more than a lander to the moon, meaning a little tiny space probe. So, no, there is no secret base on the moon. Do you know why there's no secret base on the moon? Because we don't have the technology to build it in stealth, which is what the military would do. Now, okay, I believe the question specifically was, is there a secret military base on the moon? There is no way even the military could hide a lunar base. Do you know why? It would require hundreds of rocket launches, massive rockets, to get a base on the moon. Elon Musk plans to put people on Mars by 2026. They're gonna die. Yeah, if he rushes it that much, those people will probably die or not, or unless they're coming back. But if they're going on a one-way trip, they need to probably send about 20 supply missions before they even send the first person, because they're going to need to have food, greenhouses, ways to build, ways to manufacture, ways to extract water, ways to extract hydrolyze oxygen, solar panels and wind turbines for power generation. I mean, mostly solar panels, even a nuclear reactor most likely. But come on, a secret base on the moon. Number one, there's no technology we have that would allow even our secretive government from hiding that many rocket launches. It's just not possible with our technology. Maybe if you want to go into the tinfoil hat club, we have super secret technology that can do, single stage to orbit tech that they can launch without actual you know what? Then you're in the realm of science fiction and it's not real. So no, there is no secret military base on the moon. There is no way to hide that fact. Even if you put it on the far side of the moon, you would still see traffic. We would still see orbital traffic. Again, the only way that we could have a military base on the moon is if you're in the tinfoil hat club and we have some kind of science fiction technology that allows instantaneous travel or travel without the use of chemical propellants, which is what we are dependent upon right now. So, no, it just doesn't happen. The other thing is, what possible strategic military advantage would a base on the moon give us? It's 300,000 kilometers away. That's 186,000 miles. What are they going to do? Even if they fired lasers at the Earth, it takes 1.2 seconds to get here. I mean, yes, they could. It makes absolutely no strategic sense, no value, nothing. If we were to build anything on the moon, it would be a radio telescope on the far side of the moon, because it would block, the moon itself would block all the radio transmissions from Earth and allow a radio telescope to pick up sensitive radio data for astronomical observations. That's it. That's what we would do on the moon. There's no military strategic value unless we were fighting, aliens. Again, that's in the realm of science fiction. I live in the realm of science fact. There's no military base on the moon. I'm sorry to disappoint you. But one, you can't hide that many rocket launches. Two, we really don't have that technology. I wish we did. I really wish we did. I would love to go exploring our solar system, but the tech isn't there. So there's no secret military base on the moon. There's no hidden agenda building super secret government installations off world. There's no Stargate program, even though that TV show is really cool. That tech just simply doesn't exist. Yes, our government can really waste that many billions of dollars on military stuff without that kind of level of secret programs. So that's it for today's question. Thank you, like, subscribe, and please keep asking questions, keep looking up, keep wondering what's out there. Because who knows, maybe someday some passing alien will take pity on us and help bring us into an age of enlightenment. I doubt it. I feel like we're probably in a quarantine zone and they're like, yeah, don't go there. They need at least 1,000 years of development. If there are aliens. So thanks. Have a great day. Bye.